soldier sometimes disobey general. It makes it wrong. A pleasant afternoon to all of us. My name is Moreover Teacher, 17 years of age, and I live in Pagdalagan, Northern International Philippines. Michael, I am a proud son of the state within government. These are Mr. Robert Teacher and Lillian Teacher. To my fellow graduates, thank you for all the memories that we share. And I hope these memories will be treasured and kept in our hearts. Au revoir and God bless.
I am not the best, but these I am different. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is Julia Manuel F. Cartas, 16 years old. The daughter of Mr. and Miss Severino Cartas, living in 41 Florian, San Fernando, Silonia. To my batchmates, go constantly with the power of your dreams. Live your life how you imagine. Good luck and God bless us all. Life is not about waiting just for the sun to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. My name is Steve. My name is Catherine Answer Cruz. The only daughter of Mr. Stanton. Living in Crystal Mountain, Civilian of San Fernando, La Union. To my fellow classmates, I will miss you all and congratulations. Thank you. Yeah! Do not count what is up. And that was it. But never. A pleasant evening,
Smile.
everyone. I am Darcy. 16-year-old daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Wilwat. Ikaw. Bilis.
Your message. How much you put into that count? But how much is that? Ladies and gentlemen, speaking in front of you, it's Miller. Nagtikuloy na pila, 6 years of age. Living Kalumbay-Baong, I'm proud. Parents, Roger Orpila and Mrs. Monino Orpila. To my fellow graduates, thank you for being a part of my life, and good luck.
You know, it's my first time to video. And okay, mga nagbabagang balita. Balik kayo. Ay, balik. Yung pala. Kalang, first time.
Super stand.
Okay. Makikita niyo sa Luzon. Damo lang yan. Damo yan, pero... Okay, gawa tayo ng prop. Mulan!
Ayun na lang doon umulan.
Mulan.
Sige, para makita lahat.
Tika dito.
Oo.
Ako. Ay, pero...
Ika lang ang prop.
O yan. Makita niyo sa Luzon. Prabs!
Ano gagawin natin?
Makikita niyo sa Luzon. Doon, sa Luzon, doon sa part na may card. Doon. Ulan. Ulan. At sa Visayas naman, may higanting epal. Ulan.
May isang walang dumi.
May isang dumi doon na nagpapakyut at di mo maintindihan kung nagpapakyut nga ba o nananakot. Dito naman sa bar na to ng Visayas. Ay, Luzon pa rin pala to. May epal na naman. Yan, book niya, Thunderstorm. At meron ding naglalaro ng PSP doon sa...
Pacific Ocean.
Hindi sa China Sea yan. Doon sa Batanes Group of Islands.
Mukhang volcano.
Mukhang volcano.
Mukhang bahay ng
Volcano na di mo alam kung may nuno sa punso ba dito?
bahay ng puton.
Bahay ng Kuton.
Ako mag-video.
At doon sa Mindanao. Ang lapit. Maglalakad lang ako papunta doon. Yan, Palawan na to, Palawan. Di ba? Palawan.
Sa Palawan na tayo.
Sa Palawan ako. At makikita nyo, mulan.
Ano naman yung sign?
Maaraw sa doon. Dito. Maaraw. Pasensya na yung sapatos ko, marumi. Yan, maaraw yan. Pero dito, mulan. Mulan yan. Mulan. Sa Batanes Group of Islands, Maraw. Maraw. Bakit tatlo yung araw, isa lang ang araw? Maraw. Gawang clouds, clouds. O yan, Maraw. Yan. Sa Mindanao tayo, sa Mindanao. Ayan, tika lang. Dito, nakikita niyo yung parang square dyan, yung mga bukid yung mga yan. Mga yan. Bukid dyan. Pero city yan, city. Sa Mindanao. Maulan sa Mindanao. Yan, Maraw. Ito si Kuya Kim, nagsasabi. Ay, trivia pala, mga kakon. Don't you know that we are in Talumbaya, Panglonyon Elementary School? Don't you know that? Better know it. Ito po si Kuya Kim na nagsasabi sa bawat panunod ng panahon. Nanging tatandaan, ang buhay ay weather lang. Back to you, Chrissy.